from
Ayun,
Canada.
Pinawagay na ni ma'am yung ano ni sir.
Oo. Maililiw daw una yun. Ayan.
Oy, the J...
Ma'am Natalie.
Oy,
yan.
Kwam, Mabel. J500 less eco.
Wow, talaga naman. Di pa nakanta pero, ayan, pampano lang.
Ayan, pampagana talaga.
Pero ito, favorite na yung talong.
Ay!
Tarong.
Tarong.
Kiss!
Ay, sabi ko na.
Kiss!
Ubing paimot siya. Oh.
Anya mo tal.
Aman na ima sa ubing.
Madipay mapuros.
Ano, sir?
Baka ma-child abuse tayo dyan.
Oo. Nako.
Oo, ubot pa'y lang.
Narigate.
Narigata yun.
Ado pa'y nga met agbuy-buya. Serne, naka-live tayo ngayon. Andito po kami ngayon sa...
Namruangan.
Ala, no!
Sa
Sa
Lapasa.
Sa Lapasa,
Dito tayo sa
Cabugao.
Ilocos Sur.
Marami. Ayan. Siyempre, ang Castillo and Laranang family, andito po kami ngayon. Maraming nanonood po sa atin ngayon. Ayan, naka-live po tayo.
Next ka naman anak ko ko DJ Bukelbek, Bukol-Bukel.
Yes, ayun. Up next po. Yes.
Mailiw, dati talaga. Iliw tapos bukel-bukel.
Yes, mailiw di bukal-bukal.
Iliw, di bukal.
Ito ko magtambo-tambo.
Oh, masarap yun. Soon.
Ado nga bukal-bukal di jay.
Sa ano, May 3, makakatikim tayo nun.
Bukal-bukal?
Oo, magpapaluto daw si Ate Jenna.
Oy! Ay, Ma'am Jenna.
Ay, kung ano, request ni Dorian Balikbayan.
Iti mali Nulong neke chay
Yay! Palakpak naman dyan!
Itinag sa bata Titaaw kinlagi Nangayen abuya Di maimatanga Nga isug mangiparik nga Iti panagmay-may sa
Since nga request ni Carlo, pauluan na.
Nururusene tisipnge Dumtengtol tisada
Request ni Carlo. So, sala ni Carlo. Surutan ni Manang Ate Norma. Konsyal! Konsyal! Ang Balikbayan, Perla. Kani, Sir. Jane. Iko. Dakal Gay Hills na.
Lalaklakan ako man Ngumay ka sa rungkara
Shout out ko J.R. Villegas.
Dinan ko maka
Shout out ko ni Marlene Lutay. No? On Marlene Lutay, Rita. Shout out ko ni Jack Villegas. Shout out ko ni Jack Villegas. Shout out ko ni Jack Villegas.
Iparabaw kuto'y puso
Shout out ko ni Jack Villegas.
Makita
Kini Ariel. Kini Bangla. Shout out ko Bangla.
Mabang aral ng tuwirik na
Shout out out ka ni Jonalyn. Shout out ka ni Jack Villegas. Shout out ka ni Frido. Shout out ka ni Grand Ariel Agbayani. Thank you very much, Balikbayan, Francis Carlo. Ma'am, thank you. Sir. Sir. Kayon? Ulangan, sir. One, sir.
Ayan. And this time I'd like to give you another requested song. A song from Still Heart.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, magpalakpakan naman tayo lahat dyan! Ayan, thank you so much po sa tatlong.
Wala namang mas malakas ang palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan.
Correct.
Alright.
Nag-enjoy mo tayong lahat!
And of course, request coming from Sir Mercy.
Okay, from Mercedito.
Ayan, Sir Mercedito.
Akbayani.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Maagang bonus.
She's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so untrue. I can't live without your love. In my space.
Katulad niyo, Mama, si Apo Francis Carlos. Apo Gio. Gio. Katulad niyo, Francis Carlos na. Iko.
gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really miss you, girl, my love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, my heart belongs to you. Can you forgive me? So I'm torn to session mo.
Wala bang palakpak dyan? Ayan.
Hello. Request ni Joshua, ni Wakong. Di ka nung namrangan nga. Ano tayo? Joshua? Ada ka nung request ni Joshua?
Ano po yan, sir?
Joshua,
Ayan mo, sir, Joshua.
Joshua Castillo, ayan mo na anak ko.
Ayan mo, sir, Joshua.
Request si...
Sir Joshua.
Oy, Madam Nati, okay lang. Nag-enjoy tayo, di ba? Nag-enjoy tayo. Okay. Beres. Joshua, ayan mo. Wakong.
Ano request mo, sir Joshua?
Ay, lason mong halik ko na. Lason mong halik. On Aegis Madley Sadajay. Requested by all the friends from Namrangan. From Namrangan, headed by our Balikbayan, Perla. Perla. Perla Kakalda Rabor. One. Ay, kwa, Joshua, makan na. Sudah jay. One. Pagsalaan, idol, one mot da Mario kani Manangilin. Correct! Una, palakpak naman dyan! Manangilin kani Mario. One, dati, kasi handa pinagsalang nakita. One. DJ, bayad mo, toy. Itoy. Ay. Manangilin pa panam. Adon ni karayas dito ni. Ay, niwa akong latan. One. Na?
Ayan at syempre, yung request po.
Niwa kong kano kini Manang Clary. One. Okay. Thank you, anak ko, Ana.
Sino ba yung nag-request ng ano, ng lason mong halik?
Si Sir Joshua, inay.
Asan?
Asan po si Sir Joshua?
Pakitaas naman po yung kamay, sir.
Para lang po namin yung sisingiling.
Oo.
I-try po namin kasi alam nyo na.
Namamalat na po kami. Ayun.
Ayan. Here's one.
Jack.
Thank you po.
Allah, shoot mga shoot.
Ayan, try po namin. Kasi,
Lani.
ayan.
Shoot na shoot ni
Sige, bakasyon lang. Friend. Come on guys, get your partner. Mas masaya pag sumayaw kayo. Come on.
Okay. Ay, Joshua and Clary.
Mag-isa lang. Dapat magsitayuan lahat. Come on. Let's enjoy the night.
Wow. Let's enjoy the night.
Biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama. Kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko'y langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong nangiidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko nakaya. Hanggang ngayon'y nahanap pa rin ang laso mong halik. Kay init ng liyan, agad akong nadadara kapag ikaw ang iyong mata. Ngayon nag-iisa, laging nilalamig, nawala na ang lahat-lahat. Itinagip ang aking ngunit biglang nagbago ka. Hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko'y langit, nilaro-laro mo lamang ang
you very
Tisha.
much.
Yes.
At syempre, thank you so much po sa...
Taas. Sa compliment.
Okay, tatakaroon sumaruno. Pagsalaan mo da Jonas ni Jenny. One. May request Jonas and Jenny to dance also. Okay, this time, ladies and gentlemen, may request Jonas and Jenny to dance. One. Bakit pa? Anak ko, Jeman, bakit pa? Bakit pa? Kasi their favorite song, the
Ito,
Jenny.
special request po.
Wow.
When I was younger,
Yeah!
so
Palakpak
much
naman
younger
dyan!
than today.
Palakpak naman dyan!
I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured.
Jenny!
Now I've finally changed my mind, I won't be nothing so. You get a feeling inside, and I do appreciate you being right. Help me, you get a feeling right. Won't you please, please help me? And now my life has changed, and now so many ways. My independence seems to vanish anyways. But every now and then I feel so insecure. But every now and then I found seems to vanish anyway. Help me to get a feeling inside, and I do appreciate you being around. Oh, help me to get a feeling right. Won't you please, please help me? That's wrong, come on! When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help anyways. But now the days are gone, I feel so insecure. Now I want to change my mind. I'm an all. Help me to get a feeling inside, and I do appreciate you being right. Help me to get a feeling right. Won't you please, please help me? Won't you please, please help me?
Palakpak naman dyan. Next.
Okay.
Jason, kumang mauman, iba ka na.
And this time I'd like to give you another special...
Okay, this time I request Will and Nobel.
Special
One. The
Amaze.
search is over. Will and Nobel. One. Apo. Ay, Will, makibagi ako anak ko 10%. One. So may request Will and Nobel to
Amaze.
dance. Yes, yes.
Special request.
One.
Ano po?
This time may request our Will and Amaze. Kano, anak ko. One.
Amaze.
One. Kasi din ni Daddy, Mami Nati. Carlo, may request Will and Novel. Api nga, puras ka no, ball. Diyos ko. Nervyos am kumaka... Kinangpatan na ka ni Willon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this dance is dance with Novel and Will. One. Ay, palapak naman dyan! The Carlo. Dollar ni Carlo. May request the R&B band to play music for Will and Novel.
Yes, here's your special request.
One.
Amaze.
So ano to, madam?
Every time I rise,
Maring ilin ka ni Mario.
this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts and I can see your dreams. I don't know why you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
Ayan, shout out po kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss,
Allah.
the way you whisper in the dark. You
Aming mga bagyan na.
surround me, and baby, you surround me. You touch every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like for the first time, and every time I wanna spend the whole night in your arms. I don't know how you do what to do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed.
Thank you so much.
Before we are going to have this one, we are going to have this raffle.
Ayan, at may request pa.
One.
Bukel-bukel.
Later, di bukod-bukal. Number 137.
Okay pa ba kaya si Mr. MC?
137. Raffle pa yung anak ko. 137. Sino ang lucky number ng 137? 137. Wala. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, forfeit. Forfeit. Another. 139. 139. Hanga si kamoton Joshua. Forfeit ng Joshua. 1. Halata nga kanya yung anak ko. Ikwayo lata sa balin. 1. Ikwayo lata sa balin. Ikwayo lata sa balin. 1. Will. Eksakto. 100. 100. Managdes is the luckiest number. 1. Thank you. Say thank you to Carlo and Will. Awan di picturean paglalarawan. Next. 285. Rika, 285. 285. Ada. Banji. Nga po. Kung nagbiyahe ka. 285. 1. Kisa. Another. 111. 1. Next number, 183. 183. 183. Ni kwa 1831. Kasi next number, my favorite number. 6996. 96.